Let's face it, Houston homeowners. Sometimes our garage doors and fences can become more of a burden than a benefit. They can be unreliable, outdated, or just plain ugly. But what if there was a way to transform these eyesores into beautiful, secure additions to your home? At My Garage and Gates, a family-owned business here in Houston, that's exactly what we do. We specialize in fast and reliable installations and repairs for all things garage doors, gates, fences, and even access control systems. Unlike other companies, we have an in-house fabrication shop. This means we can create custom gates and fences that perfectly match your property and style, not some generic one-size-fits-all solution. We take pride in using high-quality materials and providing exceptional service from the moment you contact us to the final installation. Our team of experts is dedicated to getting the job done right the first time, so you can enjoy a beautiful and secure home for years to come. And for your peace of mind, we back all our work with a comprehensive warranty. We offer a wide variety of styles and materials to choose from, so you can find the perfect fit for your budget and your taste. Because at My Garage and Gates, we believe your home is your haven. Let us help create a space that's both secure and stylish. Ready to ditch the rusty door and rickety fence? Give My Garage and Gates a call today for a free consultation. We're here to help transform your home's curb appeal and security, so call us today.